cute little living and dining area, L-shaped granite slab right over here. Now this is your master bedroom that also comes with space over here.
Hello and welcome to Housing, India's only online platform जहाँ पे लिस्टिंग करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottommost price guarantee. Unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पे जब आप करते हैं एक इंक्वायरी तो आपको आता है multiple calls from multiple brokers, हाउसिंग पे ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे हम आपका कनेक्ट करवाते हैं सीधे डेवलपर के साथ. और आज हाउसिंग पे मैं एकता कपूर आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा फ्लैट का वीडियो जो कि है एट क्रिस्टल 1 and this is a premium 2 BHK apartment. The reason I'm calling it premium is the thing that you will see once I enter the house.
And right here is the 707 square feet apartment. At the entrance, आपको मिल जाएगा एक video door phone for your safety and security. And here we enter right into the house. Now, this is your cute little living and dining area that comes with a very nice balcony. The balcony opens with these sliding doors and it comes with anti-skid flooring and is also covered from 3 sides. The ceiling has been given wooden and there is an iron railing also to it. From the dining area, we will enter into this open kitchen. The kitchen comes with an L-shaped granite slab right over here and at the end of it is a vegetable sink. Now there is another utensil sink which is there in the dry balcony. The dry balcony opens with these sliding doors and it also has a wooden ceiling. It is covered from 3 sides and it also has anti-skid flooring right there. Now from the dining area, we will proceed towards the bedrooms of the house. And by the time we do that, let me also take this opportunity to tell you a little more about Housey. Housey is the place जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं sample flat videos, 360-degree tours, actual location tours, pros and cons videos, and also project overview videos. इस सभी के साथ आपको अगर और डिटेल्स चाहिए जैसे कि ऑल इंक्लूसिव प्राइसिंग एंड ऑल्सो इफ यू नीड टू नो द डाउन पेमेंट डिटेल्स और द EMI डिटेल्स, ये सभी कुछ आपको अवेलेबल हो जाएगा यहाँ पर नीचे दिए गए लिंक में. नीचे कैप्शंस में एक लिंक दिया हुआ है जिस पे आपको करना है क्लिक और आपको मिल जाएगा एक ई-ब्रोशर. उसी के साथ साथ आप आपका प्रोजेक्ट साइट विजिट भी बुक कर सकते हैं. And all of this is absolutely brokerage free. Well, enough of me talking about Housey. Let's take a look at this house now. यहाँ से we will proceed towards the bedrooms and over here right next to your dining area is the common toilet and wash which comes with this wash basin outside and a toilet area which comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings. उसी के सामने यहाँ पर है आपका kids bedroom. Now the kids bedroom comes with this standing balcony, I'm gonna call it. Now the reason I'm calling it standing balcony is because this whole door opens. इसका कोई half part fixed वगैरह नहीं है पर यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है एक grill for your safety. भले ही there is a completely opening sliding door, but it is like a window, it is like a balcony, it is actually a multi-purpose thing and it also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net. So perfect ventilation, perfect lighting and the perfect ambience for the kids bedroom. और तो और यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है ये जगह जहाँ पे आप रख सकते हैं आपके wardrobes. अब time है to enter the master bedroom. Let's do that. From here we enter into the master bedroom and every bedroom door and the main door also has been provided with these rubber strips right over here. Now this is your master bedroom that also comes with space over here for your wardrobe and there is an attached toilet and bath also to it. And along with that there is also a window right over here that opens similarly the way we saw the kids bedroom and it also has a balcony. That's right, this room also comes with a balcony and the standing balcony or the open window. This balcony also is covered from 3 sides and comes with a railing and it also comes with an additional railing right over here, the one that we saw in the windows over there, and the flooring has also been changed from the bedroom to the balcony. This becomes anti-skid. Now this is a very cute apartment that I really like because especially because of the master bedroom, the kind of ventilation that they have provided and the windows that they have given in the kids bedroom and the master bedroom. Stay tuned for more such beautiful apartments. Thank you.
So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Crystal 1 located in Moshi, Pune by Rama Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.